Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. How are you doing? Thank you so much for plugging in. Today's topic is something we're running into monthly, weekly. I don't know what to tell you, but it's a lot going on. It's very common. But to me, it's one of the most stressful ways to do real estate, and that's called a piggyback deal. And here's what that means. And I'm going to break it down a little bit. You, as a seller, want to buy this house, but you got to sell your house to buy this house. And you need everything to line up because you need the money from this house to buy this house. I'm telling you, to me, it's the most stressful deal ever. It's just stressful. You have so many hands in the kitty on this side. You have so many hands on this side. And if one person doesn't do what they're supposed to do, that side could die, which will kill this side. So many. Now, if you could sell this house and move into a rental, move into an apartment, do something where you're not contingent. And yes, there's loan programs out there. And if you want to know about them, I can get you in contact with the lender. Your stress will go down immensely. But that's not the case all the time. So if you need to sell your house, there's a couple of things I need you to do. I want you to be very aggressive. Low, medium, high. Go right into medium. Got to be aggressive, guys. Got to be aggressive. Why? Because your goal is to buy that house over there. Prepare your home well in advance. Get a pre-inspection done. Get the septic look at. You have a septic. Get a well. Get termite. Get everything done and cleaned up so you don't run into an issue to buy this house. Remember, if you got to sell this house, you got to write a contingent home or offer on this house. It's hard to get a contingent offer accepted. That's why we want to make sure we paint the picture over here. If you do find something, sometimes you might have to negotiate a rent back. In other words, you're trying to sell your home, but you are not settling on this home yet, but you need to settle. So sometimes you can stay in your home a little bit longer, a week, 2, 3, 4, whatever. You can negotiate. It all depends on the market. Now, on the buyer side, we got to make sure your financials are perfect. We want the lender to have updated bank statements monthly, pay stubs updated every 2 weeks, 1 week, whatever it may be. If you're 1099, that's a whole different story. Your tax returns. We want to make sure your credit score stays up. Don't go buying anything. Even if it says interest free, don't do it. Do not use your credit cards. Stop, because you're going to do a soft pull. So we want to make sure your financials are good. You're ready to go. Know the market. So you're out there looking. It's not a tire sale. It's not a swap. Just the way you negotiated the highest dollar for your house, that seller that you're trying to buy is going to do the same thing. It's business. There's nothing personal here. It's a lot of emotion, but it's not personal. Remember that communication is key. Make sure that you are communicating with your favorite realtor, Tina and I, and Tyler, because it's a lot of moving parts. A lot of things have to happen, and you can't have anybody drop the ball. Piggyback sales happen. They happen more than you think, but you can reduce some of the stress. So give us a call when you get a chance. Love to talk to you. Love to discuss the plan, because we want you to experience the Benton benefits. God bless you. Have a good one.